Do you want to know how you can make an account deposit on Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make an account deposit on Melbet. Go ahead and go to melbet.in and then make sure that you are logged into your account. As soon as you log into your account, you can see make a deposit option, or if it isn't here, go ahead and hover around here and click make a deposit, and it will take you to this deposit site where you can deposit to your Melbet account using various types of options like bank, e-wallets, payments, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, game items, e-vouchers. You can see all of these. So you can go ahead and select the account which you have and click confirm, and you can go to copy this code or scan this code from your phone, but other interfaces are quite different. So you can see that you can choose whichever account you have and you can send the money. So guys, this is how you make a account deposit on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.